All right, so here's our grocery haul, Monday, December 30th. First video for Countdown to Savings. I am so excited. Now this stuff is all from Kroger today, and I had a free MasterCard gift card. No, this is not from I know people say, oh, I got a free gift card from Fetch when you bought the rebates for Fetch. Absolutely not the kind of thing. We just got this gift card for free from somebody. So we decided to use it for groceries, and so which is awesome. And when you hear how much all this costs after rebates, it's just amazing. So my grandparents, like I said, some of this stuff is theirs. So we got some shredded cheese for $3.49. I had a 75-cent coupon. The Nestle Toll House chocolate chips were 99 cents at Kroger. That's an awesome price. They were in the clearance aisle. The Back to Nature, these were $1.99 on the mega sale, and I got $1 for the Catalina. I bought two, so those were $1.24. We did have a couple issues. The Dr. Pepper that my grandparents wanted rang up for $5 and not $1.99 mega sale. So that threw my mega sale off. And there was one other item that didn't get rung up. So I only had 38 mega items. So things were really messed up. But since we got the gift card and I don't even know what happened, I'm not going to go back and fix it because things worked out decently. So I'm just going to, whatever. I know I'm a horrible couponer, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know how to fix it at this point because there's one item that I don't even know what didn't work out. Okay, the burritos were 3 for $5. We just like to have those for quick breakfasts. We got some tomatoes for, I believe these are $2.50. Some bananas, some lettuce for $1.99. And the potatoes were $2.99. I had a 60-cent coupon, so that's a great deal. The Zevia is $2.99 mega sale, and I had a 75-cent Kroger cash back, making them $2.24, which is one of the best deals I've actually gotten on that stuff. My grandparents needed milk, so we picked up whole and then 2%. And slim right back there, and some Simple Truth sour cream for $1.79. The milk was $1.79. The sour cream was $1.79. The Slim Right, I don't even know. Sorry, just bumped into something. The Slim Right was I'm trying to find. This is a super long receipt. $5.29. Okay, the Smart Ones. This is one of the best deals of the day. These are on stuff for 66 cents. I had a coupon for $2 off of 5. I used 4 of those, and my Kroger had 0 issues with that. He looked at it for a limit, and I told him it doesn't say a limit. And he said, okay, and just scanned it. Now, I know so many of you guys have been telling me there's rules. Your store doesn't do printables anymore, but mine still does. So essentially, it made these 24 cents, which is an awesome deal. We grabbed 4 of the canned green beans that were 29 cents on clearance, which is awesome. And like I said, the Dr. Pepper should have been $2, but it rang it for $5. The A&W was $1.99, so we got that. And if we really spent out of pocket on the pop, I would have fixed it. But since we had that free gift card, it was okay. Okay, I'll get to this stuff at the end. I'll finish the groceries. I kind of was smart and divvied all this up. Okay, the corn chips, the tortilla chips were 99 cents. Now, for 3 of these, I had 45-cent mailer coupons they sent me. We buy these all the time when they're on sale. So they've caught on and started sending me coupons. So that made those 54 cents. And then these I had a 75-cent off of 2 coupon, so that was a pretty good deal. And that did beep. It said on any 2 Simple Truth bag snacks. We both agreed, the cashier and I agreed, this is a bag snack, so he just keyed it in. My grandparents got 2 of the purified waters for $1.99. We got spring water for $1.99. My grandma's generic Sprite, 2 for $5. It's just the kind she likes. Looking back, we probably should have got 7-Up, but we didn't. I think there's an Ibotta. I don't know. I wasn't thinking. These chips, we just really like having these. Since I've been trying to get more health conscious, I could sit and eat a whole bag of chips or half a bag of chips if I let myself. So I try to get bagged chips sometimes. These are $6.99, but it's okay. Keeping it real. This is not going to be how to get groceries for crazy cheap. It's basically getting things we want at the best price possible. And I feel like we're pretty successful with that. Okay. Christmas gifts for next year. I got these cat socks for my grandma. She'll love those. A stocking for 75 cents. And I got these little bath bomb things for baskets for 29. Okay. My grandparents needed a medicine pill planner. And they also needed some clear seal, which was $3.29, which breaks my heart. $3.49. It breaks my heart. I'm really upset about this. I don't know where I could have got it cheaper. I should have I don't know. It happened. But it's okay since we were using the gift card and I made money on these things. So the poise are $3.99. I had a coupon for $3 off. So I paid 99 cents and then I got back $2.25 from Fetch. So it was a great moneymaker. The ibuprofen was 2 for $2. I had that $1.75 off 2 coupons. Those were 25 cents for 2. The Kotex Security, these were $1.99. I had a 50-cent coupon and I got back $2.50 from Fetch. So great moneymaker. And the Old Spice was $1.90 or $3.99. I had a $5.99 off of 2 digital coupon. So I was like $1.98 for 2, and I got back $2 for each in Ibotta. So $2 moneymaker. So that helped offset the cost on this clear sale. So the total for all this, after everything, came down to $109.52. Now this is the couponing budget, and everything else is in the grocery budget. But for the purpose of this haul, I got back $4.91 from Fetch, $4 from Ibotta, and $1.50 in the form of a Catalina. So you'll see the total flashed up on the screen. And that is how much all this costs. So that's awesome. So the new Kroger deals video will be posted today on my channel this afternoon. That's all that I have. And thank you guys so much for watching.